many rubber bands does it take to make a watermelon explode? I'm about to find out, and trust me, you've never seen anything like this. Nobody has ever tried this many rubber bands on a single watermelon. I've got over 500 bands here, and I'm going to keep adding until, boom! It starts innocent enough with just a few bands. But watch what happens as the pressure builds. Each band adds more force than the last. At 50 bands, something starts to change. Look how the watermelon is already deforming. The elastic force is incredible. This is where it gets dangerous. 100 bands and counting. I can feel the tension building. This watermelon is under extreme pressure. 150 bands. I can feel it's about to give way. The structural integrity is failing. Any band now could be the one that breaks it. 200 bands and still going. Just a few more. Any second now. I can hear it creaking. This is it. There it goes. Incredible. 237 rubber bands was the breaking point. Look at that explosion. Watermelon everywhere. The physics is amazing. Each rubber band added elastic potential energy until the watermelon structural integrity couldn't handle the pressure. 237 rubber bands to explode a watermelon. Try safe pressure experiments at home and subscribe to WonderLabs for more explosive science.
WonderLabs, WonderLabs, meet our scientific crew.